Never use ginger if you have any of these conditions. It can cause serious health problems. Ginger is one of the healthiest plants in the world. Science has been able to confirm its usefulness and presence of numerous beneficial substances. It contains rare bioactive compounds which can improve your overall health and provide your body with all the essential nutrients it requires on a daily basis. The root is usually used as a spice in different dishes, but it is also a powerful natural remedy that can treat and prevent numerous diseases and conditions. Ginger is especially effective against digestive problems thanks to the presence of special enzymes that can improve the process of digestion. However, despite its benefits, ginger can harm your health if combined with certain medications or if you're suffering from certain conditions. Here are the groups of people which should avoid ginger. Blood disorders. Ginger can boost your blood flow and stimulate circulation, which makes it a great remedy against diabetes, obesity, Raynaud's disease and peripheral artery disease. Patients suffering from hemophilia, however, should avoid it. Hemophilia is a genetic disorder which reduces the blood's ability to clot, meaning that even a small injury can cause heavy bleeding and may be fatal. According to experts, ginger can only aggravate your condition and cause a deadly hemorrhage, which is why you should avoid it if you're suffering from the disorder. Ginger and medications. People who are on high blood pressure or diabetes medications should avoid ginger as it can interfere with the medications. Furthermore, ginger should be avoided if you're on anticoagulants, beta blockers or insulin shots. Ginger thins the blood and reduces blood pressure, which will effectively reduce the effects of these drugs. Moderate interaction. Be cautious with this combination. Ginger might slow blood clotting. Taking ginger along with medications that also slow clotting might increase the chances of bruising and bleeding. Warfarin, Comade, is used to slow blood clotting. For people that are underweight. If you need to gain weight for medical reasons, you should avoid ginger and ginger supplements as it is rich in fiber which improves digestion and regulates the pH of the stomach. This results in burning more fat and weight loss, which is the opposite of what you're trying to achieve. Women that are pregnant. Ginger contains special compound that can strengthen your muscles and improve your digestion, but pregnant women should avoid it as it might induce premature contractions and preterm labor. Experts warn that the root should especially be avoided in the last trimester as it obstructs the absorption of iron and vitamins in the body. Still, some experts say that pregnant women may consume ginger as a preventative measure against morning sickness. However, we suggest consulting with your doctor first. Ginger substitutes. If you want, you can easily substitute with the following: try sweet peppers, cayenne pepper or red paprika. Milk Resevic, the world-famous nutrition. According to the experts, they claim that peppers have a similar effect on the body. If you eat spicy foods, you can take red paprika. If you don't, consume sweet peppers. Paprika contains high amounts of iron, vitamins A, B6, and E. Paprika sure has a lot to offer. Also, paprika is capsaicin, an anti-inflammatory agent known for healing the digestive system. We suggest adding these spices to a glass of lemonade and drinking the mixture every morning for best results. You may also try cardamom, with its rich savory flavor, nutrition, and supportive effects. Cardamom neutralizes acid, aids digestion, and tastes great in coffee.